touchdown. Yay!
All right.
Pass it to me.
Grandma's not a good thrower.
Whoop, football player. Run into Grandpa. Run into Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Good job. Okay, you ready? Here you go, Sydney.
Haley wants to catch it, I think. Sorry. I know, Grandma's not very good at playing with the football. I can throw a regular ball. There, come on, touchdown!
Yay, Landon. Woo. All right, good throw.
My little football player. Whoops!
Run into Sydney. Oh, you gonna run into Mommy? You gonna run into Mommy? Okay.
Playing with the
Whoa.
football.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. You want to take it? Run.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Haley.
Oh, nice throw.
Good job, Sydney.
Hey, 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 hey. What, gentle? Just got my nails done.
Whoops.
I don't work too hard to go catch the football.
You trying to give it, Landon? Wow.
Help you
Run to
with the
Grandpa.
ball,
Run to Grandpa. Grandpa give it to you.
Give it to Landon. Give it to Landon. Come on.
Catch it.
Oh, get it.
Give it. Move it. Give it to him.
Give it to
Run,
him.
run, run.
Give it to Haley. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Whoa. That was a backwards throw, Sid.
All through the bushes now.
Did you see me and Sydney and Tori doing donuts on the jet ski?
I saw you out there doing.
Oh, we were just having so much fun. Uh-oh.
Okay. Are you gonna catch it, Landon?
Landon, come catch it from Grandma. Come catch it.
Catch it. Okay. Woo. Okay, run back to this one. No, he says. Woohoo!
Here, go run.
Run.
Grandma.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoops. Good tell.
All right, everybody say hi to Ryan.
Hi, Rai. Mama loves you.
Cut the red wire. The red one.
The red one. Say hi.
Blue. It's the blue wire. Don't let it fool you.
Yeah? Landon, wave to Daddy.
No, forget that. It was the black wire.
The black wire. No, yellow.
Green.
You want the ball, buddy? Aw, there you go. Yay!
No.
He's going to run it to Scott.
All right. And then we're going to hand it off over here. Run that to Chris. Go. That way. Good job.
Woo.
There you go. Here's it. Like that.
Landon, can you blow me a kiss?